Namaste everybody. I am Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty, Professor and Head, Department of Manovignana Eva Manasaroga, the Department of Ayurveda Psychology and Psychiatry at SDM College of Ayurveda and Hospital Hassan. And I am back with one more message on the occasion of World Mental Health Day. As you all know that October 10th is celebrated or observed as World Mental Health Day. It's an occasion to create awareness among people in the area of mental health. Though mental health is a very serious concern, but it is least neglected. It is one of the least neglected areas in public health. More than 1 billion people are suffering with mental health disorders across the world. And there are more than 3 million people who die because of the harmful effects of alcohol. And 1 people die every 40 seconds because of suicide. So you can see the magnitude of this problem, but still it's a neglected areas which need to be addressed. Probably this is a day or this is an occasion where we can create awareness about mental health and seek people to take the necessary help from the mental health professionals in the area of the mental health disorders. As we all know that mental health is a condition which can be because of the disorders related with cognition, conation and affect. And most importantly, it can have lot of social stigma, discrimination, punitive legislation related with this problem. So though this is a major issue, less than 75% of the people suffering across the world in the low and middle income countries, like even in India, they do not seek help from a mental health professionals for problem related with mental health. The reasons could be many, but still, just as a physical disorders, people approach health professionals, it is equally important for everyone to seek help because most of the mental disorders are preventable and many of them are treatable. So I urge all the people who are suffering with various mental disorders spanning from the child to the geriatrics. Could be depression, anxiety, insomnia, addiction, schizophrenia, bipolar disorders. It could be any problem related with mental health. People need to seek help from the mental health professionals and see that they can lead a normal life in spite of having such issues. And that too, at the present scenario where people are having the fear of COVID-19, the mental health becomes a greater priorities in the present scenario. Because of fear of COVID-19, lot of plethora of manifestation related with mental health is coming up. It could be anxiety, it could be lack of the peer support, and it could be a lot of people being isolated and not being socially connected. Though we say that we should maintain the physical distances, but we need to stay socially connected. So at this occasion where there are a lot of COVID pandemic and lot of fear across happening in the people around us, this is the right time that we seek the help of the mental health professionals. And at the same time, Ayurveda also has enormous preventive and curative management for the cure as well as the management of mental disorders. Ayurveda with its time-tested principles has various preventive principles like the daily regimen, the seasonal regimen, the social code of conduct, which can help an individual to prevent various types of mental disorders. And at the same time, if at all there is some mental issues, Ayurveda can offer various types of therapies, both pharmacological as well as non-pharmacological help, social support, counseling and various types of the therapies and various types of medicines which are available for the care and cure of mental disorders. So at this occasion, I would like to urge each one of you to join hand to providing a quality and accessible mental health care so that people can lead a very happy and healthy life. So once again, I urge each one of you, those who are suffering with mental disorders, or if you have anyone in the family or anyone among your friends suffering with mental disorders, please contact your nearest mental health professionals and seek the help at the earliest so that most of the problems can be solved. It's a time when we need not have social stigma when we not have the discrimination about mental health, it's a time that we need to take care and cure the health. So with this short message, I wish you all the very best, and I hope that we at our organization could be of any help to you for the care and cure of mental health. Thank you.